Hey, what is up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to fix your keyboard. That is, when you type something in any Windows app, the letters don't show up. For example, I'm going to click on the start button over here, and I'm going to just type on my keyboard some random letters. And as you can see, nothing is coming. So why this happens is because you recently installed a new SSD, and some of the drivers got messed up. As you can see, once again, I'm going into Google Chrome, and over here it just the keyboard works. That because Google Chrome is a third-party Windows app. So now I told you like you are just install an SSD, and therefore some drivers got messed up. Okay, so now first thing you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to go into Google or any search engine, and I'm gonna type in this word MSCTF monitor space XML, and I will put this word down in the description below. So now what I'm going to have to look for is this answers.microsoft website, and I'm going to click on it. You're going to click on this keyboard does not work on WinRT apps, and this is the correct link, and it is by this guy. So now this is all the steps which he has explained, and I will explain it in the video ahead. So now when you come down here, you're going to see this blue color file .xml file, and when you click on it, you're going to get some kind of HTML text web page just like this. So now you're going to have to close this, and you're going to right click on that file. Then you're going to click on save link as, and then you can just go ahead. Firstly, make sure that it is an XML document, and make sure the file name is this way, and you can save it on your desktop. So now as you can see over here, it is saying that it's a virus, but in reality it is not a virus, and you can just keep it. And Windows Defender detects this as a virus because it is a system file, so it's okay to download the file. Okay, so now once you're over here, you're going to go ahead and press the Windows plus R button to open the run taskbar, and you're going to type in this tasks s tasks scad.msc, and I will put this down in the description once again. So now once you type this, you're going to have to click on OK, and now your task scheduler window has opened. So now just follow my steps. Firstly, go to Task Schedule Library, Microsoft Windows, then scroll all the way down, and you're going to have to find this one thing known as the Text Services Framework. So now as you can see, nothing is there over here. So we have to import a task. And now we can go ahead and select the same file which we had downloaded. It's here and open. So now make sure all these settings are the same as mine and click on OK. And as you can see right here, the file has been added, and just right click on it and click on run. Okay, so now you're good to go. Now you can go ahead and close this. And once again, let me just go ahead and test this. So as you can see, once again, when I type anything into my keyboard, nothing comes in. That means no letters or anything get entered. So in order to fix this, we're going to go ahead and just restart the computer. Okay, so now as you can see, the computer has restarted. So now go ahead and test the keyboard once again, and as you can see, the letters are finally appearing and your keyboard is working once again in all Windows apps. Anyways guys, that was it. This is the file, and also thank you so much for watching guys, and peace out.